Welcome to 2519 Micliff Boulevard here in Houston, Texas, 77068. It's on a huge round cul-de-sac, perfect for walking, perfect for peace and quiet, great location. Let's take a look.
Hey, Jessica.
Hey, Bill.
Finally.
Yes, good to do some work with you again.
Absolutely. This is a one-of-kind opportunity for a family that wants to expand or has elderly parents they want to take care of and have their own space. They have it here. Not only in the main residence, there's 2 master bedrooms with master bathrooms in the primary area, but it also has a guest house with its own meter, and it's all on one property with a huge 20,000 square foot lot. It's got so much room, a total of 4,100 square feet, and everything's been replaced and the kitchen's been expanded. The great room is huge to be able to entertain. There's so many features, I can't tell you at one time. I can better off show you.
I'm ready to see it.
Let's do it.
Nice. Oh my gosh, Bill, this is beautiful.
I love these barred doors that you can close for privacy.
I've noticed that French doors are here, which is great for entertaining right off the kitchen onto the patio.
Absolutely. It's been a great project, and I'm looking forward to the family that gets this house.